Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, kumusta po kayo? Welcome back po sa ating channel. Topic po natin ngayon ay tungkol pa rin sa career progression system ng mga public school teachers at saka school leaders. Ito ay tungkol sa mga head teachers. Ano ba ang mangyayari sa mga head teachers? Yung mga head teacher 1, head teacher 2, up to head teacher 6. Kasi wala na pong head teacher position sa career progression system na ratified na ng Senado. Yung bicameral report na pinagsanib na Senate Bill 3000 at saka yung sa Congress na bill. Ito ang mangyayari sa mga incumbent head teachers. Lahat ng incumbent head teachers ay pwedeng mag-apply na i-retain lang muna yung kanilang position. Halimbawa, kung gusto lang muna nilang head teacher 1 lang sila, wag gawing teacher 4 ay pwede po. At saka yung career progression line under the current career progression na ginagamit nila, ganun pa rin yun. Or sa ngayon, or pwedeng i-reclass or retitling of their current positions to the appropriate position under the expanded career progression. Yun. So, i-reclass yung kanilang, pwede rin i-reclass yung kanilang mga position or retitling. Pag sinabing i-reclass ay kung halimbawa head teacher na siya, hindi dapat maging principal. Yan po ay kung sila ay merong qualification standard, qualified sila sa mga document, experience at saka education, at saka yung sa inquish, saka ito nakasa dito sa bill na ito na provided that within 3 years from the effectivity of this act. So ngayong taon ito ay 2025 kung mapirmahan ito ni President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Pag napirmahan ito ngayon, din dapat by 2028 ay yung mga all incumbent head teachers shall file the appropriate application to retain their current career progression line under the current career progression or be retitled under the expanded career progression as the case may be. So bibigyan sila ng 3 taon. So nakasaad dito na for purposes of this act, the DepEd shall prepare a list of incumbent head teachers who shall retain their current positions and career progression line under the current career progression. No new item or position under the current progression career progression for incumbent head teachers shall be created hereafter. So, wala na po yung mga head teacher 1, head teacher 2, up to head teacher 6. Pero yung mga incumbent, andyan pa rin. Andyan pa rin yung mga position nila. Siyempre, pag wala na, wala na yan. So, sabi pa dito na yung incumbent head teachers so apply for the reclassification or retitling of their current positions to the appropriate positions under the expanded career progression can no longer revert to the previous career progression line. So, halimbawa, di na pwedeng doon sa mga head teacher na career progression line, Now, all teachers other than those incumbent head teachers who shall file the appropriate application to retain their current positions and career progression shall follow the expanded career progression as provided in this Act. They shall undertake a mandatory transition program to be developed by the National Educators Academy of the Philippines. Opo, meron kasing mga position like the science teachers, yung mga STEP teachers. So mukhang wala na pong ganon, diretso na lang sila sa retitling kung sila ay teacher 4, teacher 5 and so on. So yun po ang mangyayari mga ka-Jesnabs sa mga head teachers at saka ibang teachers na dapat na ma-realign or ma-reclassified, yung ma-retitling yung kanilang mga positions dito sa bagong batas na career progression system. So guys, hanggang dito na lang. Pero by the way, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi sa batas na ito ay walang demotion of salary, Wala pong demotion dito. Yun lang po. Hanggang dito na lang. Paki-subscribe naman kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa. Bye-bye!